Hey guys, welcome to today's training tip. So the first one I wanted to do today was how to do a push-up properly. I go through this a lot with a lot of my clients, even just other people who ask me questions about how to do a push-up properly. And it's one of the simplest things to do and also one of the simplest things to get wrong. So the thing too is you have to remember you're building upper body strength. So if you're having a problem with being able to do a full push-up, quite honestly, you can do them against the wall, right? So whether you're standing against the wall, just pretend like there's a wall here. If you're standing against the wall and have your hands so your hands are apart and you're on your feet, you're literally just going to let your body come in and out against the wall. So that's just an added bonus I wanted to add into this video. But what I wanted to do is be able to show you on the floor the place and the progression to start with your push-up. So majority of women are not going to be able to do a full standard push-up. But what you want to do is get into the right position. And if you're on the floor, let me just tilt my camera so that we're actually getting what's happening and you're not missing out on anything. So this is the way I teach most people, men and women, in order to do a push-up properly. Start on your stomach, take your hands from your chest out so that you're building this box. Yeah, right here. And then what you're going to do is bring your knees up, your feet up so you're on your knees. That's your pivot point. So from here, just tuck your tailbone under, squeeze your butt really tight. Take a deep breath and breathe out and push. Okay, so basically we're doing it on a negative factor. Then just let yourself come all the way back down. And again, pull your shoulder blades back because we're not shrugging up to the ears. Pull back, press into your hands, feet together, and push. Now, once you've got that and you're really good at doing that, you're going to go the other way. We're going to start from up here. And so instead of your bum being out, your low back should not be arched. You're going to tuck your tailbone under, shift the weight forward. Now pull your shoulders back. Come down, just bend your elbow wherever you need to go. You don't need to go all of the way down in order to get the benefit. As you get stronger, you're going to come down and touch your nose. You will know if other parts of your body are touching the floor first, then you're not in the right position. A lot of people will do this. See my bum still in the air? You got too much weight in your shoulders and not enough weight in the arms and the upper body. So all you're going to do is shift forward, tuck your tailbone under, pull the shoulder blades back, and this is your start point. The only thing moving is your elbow. From there, if you're going to the next level, extend one leg. Readjust your hands as you need to. Okay? And then try it with the other leg. And from there, then you're just going to move into a full push-up. So guys, that is your technique and the tips in order to get you into the right position for a push-up. Because nothing says great strength like having full upper body strength and adding push-ups into your workout. Guys, that's me. Have to see you next week for the next tip.